This is a demonstration of a typical auto repair shop. Inside of BILLMASTER, I've taken the liberty to set up under account settings for an auto repair shop. Let's begin by creating a new customer. Notice the tabs across the top of the screen for your major functions within the program. Press Create New Account. Simply enter in the name of the customer. If any sales tax is applicable, please enter that in also. And then I can just enter in their address. If I have existing city, states, and zip, I can enter that in here. Also, just enter the year, make, and model of the car, if you know it. And the optional odometer reading if you have it. And of course the customer's email address. For later future mailings. Now, we can pick that customer here on the main menu. And if I want to create an invoice, I can go over to the Transaction Payments tab or simply press F11 for the fast invoice mode. All of these transactions will appear in the transaction file. All these invoices will. Notice I click on the Job Description tab, and this is where your inventory of items or list of items will appear for your listing. And then just simply put in your prices. And then when you're done, you can hit Save and Print Invoice. You can press OK on this screen. And then this comes out with a typical invoice. The style of this invoice can be changed, and that's all there is to do it to create an invoice. Likewise, you can use the dashboard feature of the program if you wish to navigate off of a different screen. I'm just going to set this up to a different dashboard. Under General Settings and then Main Layout, I'm going to use the Auto Repair one here. So now when the program opens, it will come up to this screen. Similar to the navigation, but you can just select on customers here. This is the one we just did. If I click over on this left-hand column where it says Code, I can see the invoice and the total cost of that invoice and whether it's been paid or not. If I want to create new invoices, I can simply just press this Create New Invoice button. I can enter payments. I can also edit the account information for the account. This contains, let me just make sure it's set up. Again, under configuration, the settings for the account style are set here, and for the auto people, you can, I'll just hit edit account here. And again, here's that year, make, and model for the car, their billing address, any email address is shown here, and along with phone numbers. If there's any specific notes you want to track on the account, you can type them in here, and those are private notes that get stored with it. The transactions contain all the invoices. If you need to reprint an invoice, simply highlight the lines, hit Print Invoice again, and hit OK. It will come up and reprint that invoice. If you want to print it as a statement, you can do the same thing. Just enter in a date range to put in for the statement you wish to print, and then it will print out a statement with account summary. So you have choices for invoices or statements. Thank you.